Hi, welcome to the Healthy Habits Cooking Show. I'm Jason from Epic Charter Schools. We have a special guest cooking with us today, Marsha Martin with the Family Engagement Department.
Hi, Jason. It's great to be back with you. I appreciate you having me on today. Today, we're going to be making chicken enchilada dip and salsa in preparation of the Super Bowl coming up this weekend.
Sounds good. Let's start with our salsa. For this, all the ingredients we need are 1 can of diced tomatoes and green chilies, cilantro, garlic, lemon juice, lime juice, salt, pepper, and tortilla chips. We will also need a blender for this dish. First, let's put all our ingredients into the blender.
All right, Jason, let's start if you'll pour those diced tomatoes and green chilies right in here.
Right in here?
Yes, sir. Just dump them in there. And then we're gonna take
Some garlic?
Yes, and I think
Cool.
just get a medium-sized scoop of that. And this is to taste. Oh, that's a little much. There you go. I like a lot of garlic, some people don't. Just plop that right in there. Okay. Next, if you'll get the lemon, I'll get the lime. We're gonna give these a little shake. Open it up. Give a good squirt in here. Kind of like that. And this is a dish, Jason, that I just kind of make from taste each time.
Okay.
So you can always adjust the ingredients. Now we're gonna take just a little bit of cilantro, and I just break off what I want. Some people like a little, some people like a lot.
Whenever I make this, I'll be sure that, adjust it how I like it.
Exactly. Okay, give us a little bit of salt and pepper in there. And again, that's to each individual's taste. Yep. Perfect. I'm gonna put the lid on here, and if you would stick that on there and just pulse it a couple of times for us till we get it all blended. There you go. Perfect. And that's about it. Let's open it up. Pull this off, and we'll see what we've got.
It looks great.
We're gonna pour this up, stick it in the ice box, let it chill for a couple of hours, and then enjoy with some tortilla chips. What have we got next?
Now, let's go ahead and start on a chicken enchilada dip. For this recipe, all the ingredients we need are 2 cans of chunked chicken breast, 2 packages of cream of cheese, 1 can of cream of chicken soup, 1 can of cream of mushroom soup, half a jar of diced jalapeno peppers, and tortilla chips.
All right, well, let's get to adding these up. If you want to open one of these, and we'll add it to the crock pot.
Okay.
Teamwork makes it easy.
Right.
Okay, next, if you'll take a can of chicken. Okay, let's just put this, let me show you how to do this, Jason. So what we're gonna do is drain these. So after we drain that liquid off, let's dump these cans in here. And if you'll open a can of soup, I'll open a can of soup.
All right.
Then we're gonna dump these right in this crock pot. Perfect. Now that we've got that in there, let's add in a half a jar of diced jalapeno peppers. Again, this is kind of to taste. My family, we like things kind of spicy. If you don't, you can put a little less in there.
I love spicy.
All right. We're gonna put our lid on this. We're gonna cook it on high or low, depending on how much time you have to prepare it. Then we're gonna serve it with some tortilla chips.
Salsa and chicken enchilada dip are the perfect finger food combo. You might want to try this at your Super Bowl party.
I know I will.